knob gear.
We are looking at this chair.
But the chair could wait. First, we headed to the graveyard. After I visited my grandfather's grave, I took it for a test drive.
Ooh, yeah. Only when it's on his skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smash nine bitches skid it. Run up a check, no limit. Bumping on X, bumping on X, bumping on X pills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Only when it's on his skid it, skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smash nine bitches skid it, skid it. Run up a check, no limit.
It was clear the vehicle was not up to scratch, and I needed to find a way to get rid of it. Unfortunately, due to my tiny little goblin legs, the skip wasn't a viable option.
Oh, actually, put it other way, actually. Oh, nearly, actually, just move the angle it a bit.
No bin seemed to have the capacity to accommodate the chair, so I decided to pay my respects to it once and for all.
Then there's no use in crying, 'cause she's really all I need. It's true, my heart is flying.
Maybe I hadn't given this chair the best burial, but along the way I had taken a shit and found an empty chocolate wrapper, and that's what really matters.
Don't bring me down and wearing a frown right now. It's tryouts for my brain, step into my frame now. I smell your art's degree.
I want to kill myself.
That's the wrong way. You're meant to be going the other way. No, it doesn't work.
I can cut this just to look thoughtful. Be like, ah. And then look at the church again.
Oh, you gay.